I'm almost finished preparing our light evening meal. This is a very simple dish. I have some unpeeled scampis because it gives more flavor to the dish. But if you don't like that the shell is together with the dish, you can remove first shell. I add some olive oil in the pan, and then some diced garlic, and also some chopped onion, slice of a small ginger that I cut in strips, and saute them until they are cooked, adding chopped fresh tomatoes. And when it's almost cooked, I add the scampis, because the scampis, that's the last ingredient that I add because it cooks very fast. When it is overcooked, it becomes a little bit like rubber, and then you can eat it with rice.